in the recovery stages of the COVID-19 pandemic, local grocery stores must keep their facilities sanitized in order to promote confidence in their establishments. These businesses already have a lot on their to-do list as they prepare to reopen their doors to the public. With people constantly stocking up on everyday supplies and food, grocery stores need a disinfection solution that is quick, effective, and easy to deploy. Showcase Larson Electronics UV sanitation lights to your clients that own or operate grocery stores to cater to their disinfection needs. The reassuring presence of this UV germicidal equipment can offer peace of mind for customers and employees around the store. Some of our UV disinfection lights include the following: omnidirectional carts, full 360-degree UVC sanitation for large rooms. The UV lights in this series are secured on wheels for mobility and come with lengthy cords for quick deployment. Models with adjustable heights, various lamp configurations, and wireless remotes are available. Directional surface mount lights and sanitation boxes. Linear UVC disinfection lamps and UVC sanitation boxes designed for disinfecting items and equipment used inside grocery stores. Such items include access cards, phones, keys, pens, and more. Air sanitation lights for occupied areas. Get rid of viruses and bacteria lurking in the air. These passive systems are enclosed, allowing the units to be installed in occupied areas without risk of UV exposure. HVAC air duct disinfection. Available in 2-lamp or 4-lamp configurations. The compact lights clean the air from the inside as it passes through HVAC systems, vents, and ducts. In our commitment to operational safety, we are here to help businesses get back on their feet during these troubling times. We offer N95 respirator masks for people requiring protection on the front lines. Custom-engineered solutions are also available for establishments that need equipment to meet specific operating standards. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.